Morning, everybody. I just wanted to reach out because it is we're ending the week 7, and next week is self-care week. So a lot of you are off from field and doing, personal things. My concern is midterm grades are also due next July 8th, which I will be out of the country, so I'm submitting them July 3rd, and I'm concerned because I've been told by the school to go in and put zeros in for everyone who has late assignments. And when I do that, out of the 12 students I've left in this class, 5 of you are failing. So that being said, I cannot stress strongly enough right now that everyone needs to go into their Canvas and look and see if you have zeros. If you have zeros, those are assignments that need to be in by Sunday, because I will be doing all of my grading Monday and Tuesday of next week to submit midterm grades. Again, any assignment with a 0 in it needs to be done by Sunday. There is no such thing as not doing an assignment and taking a 0. If you look at your syllabus, all assignments must be completed to pass this course. So that being said, there are only 13 of you left, and I need for all of you to pass. I want for all of you to pass. So please, right now, when you watch this video, I need you to go in to Canvas and look, because more of you than not have at least 1 0. So please, again, thank you. Go in and check it out. And excuse the Snapple trash in the background. But yeah, I need you seriously, guys, to go in and check for those zeros and get that done. And then that way we can all enjoy our self-care week next week. Alrighty. Any questions? Again, feel free to reach out to me. Call me, email me, whatever. I would like a message, though, when your assignments are done so I can go in and grade them sooner if I can. Thanks a lot, and have a good rest of the week. Bye.